in the last 100 years, there has been a radical shift on a cultural level, societal level. But prior to 100 years ago, the way in which the body oriented for survival was constantly checking for judgment and criticism of others. As soon as we think we are going to be judged, we then alter our energy, our behavior, our way of being, the teeniest, tiniest things and the big things, to seek approval. And so explore the possibility that your body has programmed itself for many, many, many incarnations, and also biologically, chemically, for approval. But when we're constantly seeking approval external, the body is constantly giving its power away. It goes into a place of insecurity, and then it can also have fear of shame, which then can create more shame. So it's like this vicious cycle. And this is something that we want to do to help the body shift into a different pattern program that holds greater power, slowly and gently, recognizing that, again, for incarnations, your body has looked for the approval external as a primary survival mechanism. Taking a deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line, soul rider. And you, soul rider, might have this pattern as well, but your body definitely has it. And so we're actually just going to start focused entirely on helping body shift this pattern, gently and slowly. So as you, soul rider, hold your energy and awareness in your divine line, take a moment to invite your higher self, you, etheric being, to reference a dimension where you can sit across from the essence of your body and earth. So you're calling forth Gaia, earth, in her etheric form, and your body, Deva, nature, spirit. And you're sitting in the presence of the two of them, just with your imagination, also the intent of your energetic fields. And you might just silently say, hi, body, hi, earth. And then very compassionately and gently say, body, is it possible that one of your survival mechanisms is constantly checking, looking for external approval? Afraid of people's judgment, afraid of being shamed, afraid of being controlled, not wanting to be controlled, but then at the same time having this internal conflict of still wanting the approval. Feeling shame when we get upset and angry at somebody, because that ties in with the approval component. Body, is it possible that one of your primary survival mechanisms is looking for approval external? Just explore that. And body, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to reference those grids, that fabric, that pathway of looking for approval as a survival mechanism to create safety and love and support and connection for core needs. Good. And then as your body references that grid, that fabric, those pathways of looking for approval external, say, Body Deva, explore the idea that when you look for approval externally, you are handing someone a burden. You're burdening them down, and you're disempowering yourself. And Gaia Earth, can you gently remind, maybe touch Body Deva on heart or third eye or back of heart, and remind Body how you navigate, how you don't look for approval external, how you are constantly checking your own inner terrain for balance. And Soul Rider, witness your body being touched by earth, being reminded of nature way, not human way. Nature Gaia way. There we go. It's a recalibration of the eyes, the ears, the heart, the nose, for approval internal of one's own inner balance. Approval internal of one's own inner balance. And take a moment to witness your body, remembering that fabric, those pathways, those grids, that are way stronger. Because your body has been hawk, it has been tree, it has been flower, it has been river, it has been cheetah, it has been leopard, it has been turtle, it has been squirrel. Oh, squirrel was so lovely. Take a moment to just feel, remember that nature way, those grids, those pathways of finding approval internal. Breathe, balance and stabilize. And I know that the nature kingdom does have a tendency to look for approval externally, but it doesn't have as I'm going to call it like as much dysfunction. And you could sort of think about it like the ancient tree, the ancient wise tree, and how it holds its power and how it guides and nurtures those around it. Or you could think about mountain, the spirit of the wise mountain, and say, body, where do you sense your sense of approval of self when you are wise mountain or powerful wave? Tie it into an element. Fire is not looking for the approval external. Soil is not looking for the approval external. Earth, water, no, all internal. Breathe, balance, and stabilize. Balance the electrical and the magnetic energy within the craniosacral fluid as your body starts to retrieve its power slowly. Oh. Take a moment to let that protocol integrate. Feel